morning student. Today we are going to study about class 7th science chapter reproduction in plants. Okay, today we will continue the chapter and today we will study about sexual reproduction. Okay student, in detail sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction occur in plant by seed. Okay, by seed. In sexual reproduction student, two parents are involved, male and female. Okay, male and female, but in asexual reproduction involve only single parent. Okay, we have studied about asexual reproduction also. And student, in sexual reproduction involve male and female parent. Okay, so the offspring and you can say daughter plants which are produced by this reproduction, this sexual reproduction possesses both characteristic. Okay, possesses the characteristic of both parent, male and female as well as. Okay, student, the reproductive part of plant is flower. Okay, flower is a reproductive part of plant. Okay, student, there are two types of flower, bisexual flower and unisexual flower. Okay, student, bisexual flower, the flower contain both male and female parts. Such type of flower is known as bisexual flower. Okay, means male or female parts means male part stamen and female part is carpel or pistil. Okay, both part are involved, consist this type of flower, bisexual flower. Next is unisexual flower. In this type of flower, the flower either consists of the male part or the female part. Okay, such type of flower is known as unisexual flower. Okay, example of such type of flower, papaya and coconut. Okay, and the bisexual flower, hibiscus and sweet pea. Okay, now student, we will study about in detail male reproductive part of flower and female reproductive part of flower. Now student, next we will study about male reproductive part of flower. Student, the male reproductive part of flower is stamen. Okay, the male reproductive part of flower is stamen. This stamen consists of two parts, anther and filament. Filament is a thread-like structure and the upper part of the filament having a knob-shaped structure called anther. Okay, so this anther having a pollen grain. Okay, pollen grain is a powdery substance. This anther, that contain pollen grain, this pollen grain produce a male gamete. Okay, produce a male gamete. Now student, the female, we will study about next female reproductive part. Student, the female reproductive part of flower is carpel. Okay, carpel. Carpel, the other name of carpel is pistil. You can say pistil. Okay, the other name of carpel is pistil. Student, this carpel produce a female gamete. Okay, female gamete. This carpel consists of a three part: stigma, style and ovary. Okay, stigma, style and ovary. Student, stigma, the upper part of the carpel is stigma. This stigma is the sticky part. Okay, so that a pollen grain can stick in it. Okay, next is style. Style is a tube-like structure. Okay, style is a tube-like structure that extend. Okay, that extend further and make a swollen structure. This swollen structure is known as ovary. Okay, this swollen structure is known as ovary. Student, that means this style connect this stigma to the ovary. Okay, so the carpel, or you can say a pistil, is like a flower-shaped structure. Student, this ovary contain a ovule. Okay, this ovary contain a ovule, and inside the ovule, okay student, inside this ovule, when the male and female gamete fuse together, this ovule convert into a seed. Okay, this ovule convert into a seed, and ovary is convert to a fruit. Okay student.